It's my pleasure to invite you to the Practice Educators Academy, taking place from 23rd to 25th of October 2020. Clinical educators play an important role in the training and education of health profession students, acting as educators, mentors, and role models for students who will be the doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and allied health professionals of the future. The importance of clinical teachers is even more pronounced in today's challenging environment as COVID-19 is reshaping health practice and changing the way we live, work, and learn together. The Practice Educator Academy is an innovative workshop, the first of its kind nationally and regionally, that aims to develop the teaching and learning-related competencies, skills, and attitudes of clinical teachers in Qatar. During the workshop, attendees will learn from expert faculty from Qatar University's College of Pharmacy, Health Sciences, and Medicine, as well as from Hamad Medical Corporation, while they explore modules which look at the principles of learning and teaching, planning for effective learning, strategies for effective teaching, assessment and feedback methods, and communicating well with learners. Attendees may also earn up to 11.5 hours of CPD credits. We invite all clinical teachers to attend to visit the Qatar University Health Cluster website to learn more. Thank you and best wishes.